Why do your wildlife photos always lose their drama after editing? So let me show you what's actually possible and look at the difference. In this masterclass, I'm gonna show you how to do advanced masking for fur and feathers, how to replace backgrounds and make them look completely natural, and how to add that kind of light and color grading that makes your photos feel cinematic, step by step in Photoshop. So basically, this is not just another editing tutorial, this is a complete workflow. That kind of workflow that takes your wildlife shots and turns them into something you actually want to print and hang on your wall. And I think that's exactly what you've been looking for. Hi, I'm Zenya and this is PhotoWhoa.